Welcome back, folks. In this video lecture, we're going to start with the chapter number 4. And in chapter number 4, we need to first of all understand the free body diagram. And in order to understand the free body diagram, we need to understand some of these pictures, what they are representing, and how we can use these picture conventions towards the free body diagram. So, first one is the roller. So when we talk about the roller representation can be like this, or it can be like this. So for if it is like this, you will represent the free body diagram like this. Roller will always have one force acting straight in the direction where the roller is touching the object. In this case, this beam, you can call it, or member. So this will be vertically upward 90 degrees like this. That's what you're gonna draw. Even the roller is at an inclined. If it is a roller joint, it will be at 90 degrees. So here I've drawn the representation. This becomes the surface where it is touching, and it will be at 90 degrees. That's how you're gonna represent. It will always be one force, which is at 90 degrees to the joint. Now, or to the surface, shall I say, to the surface, perpendicular surface to the joint. So that's how we're gonna represent it. So now the next one is smooth surface. If the surface is like this, then in this case we will still have one vertical force, just like the roller joint. So again, this will be at 90 degree to the surface. Okay. And then there is something like this sliding bar. Again, we will draw the parallel line to the sliding bar, so like this. Okay, and then the force will be at 90 degree to that surface. That's how we're going to draw it. Then comes the pin joint, and pin joint is frequently used. Pin joint will have two forces, x force and y force. So one of the representation of the pin joint is this one, and there will be x forces. This is, you can call it as reaction force, rx, and there is another force, ry. And then uh, whatever kind of a pin joint is, so something like this is a pin joint at an incline. If you see, even in this case, what's going to happen is you will have two forces at the joint at this particular point. Let me just change the shape of the pencil so that you can see properly. Let me redraw this one. So if this is the object or the bar, so the reaction force is going to look like this. This will be Rx and this will be Ry. Two forces. Cable again will have one force. So this is how it's going to look like. So this is the cable. Now you're just going to draw the cable as it is. So if this is the member which is attached with the cable, to the other end, so you're going to draw the cable. This is the reaction force at the same slope which is being represented to you. Now in this case, this you can again find the components of this force, which you will also learn. Means this is a two-dimensional vector because it is at an angle. You can find an rx and ry for this one. That's how we represent. Remember this thing: whenever it is a roller joint or a smooth surface, it is always one force, and that is in this case, this is straight up from the roller joint, ry here. And uh, and uh, and this was an inclined roller, so you will draw the surface in the direction of where the roller is inclined, whatever angle at which the roller is inclined. So you draw a surface and then a reaction force at 90 degree to that surface. And same thing gonna happen for the smooth surfaces also. So hopefully you understand now how to draw the different types of forces when different types of joints are given to you. In the next video lecture, I will use these all these frames to solve the questions. Till then, goodbye.